Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Okay, I've completed repairing this Leslie 147A amplifier. I had to wait for a day for one final part. This 270 ohm wire wound resistor. It had a 5-watt resistor, and then I replaced it with a 10-watt resistor. That resistor, as I said, is supposed to rate at 270 ohms. The old one, which I replaced, this one here, tested at 324 ohms. So it was over the by over the limit by 20%, and so so I got a new resistor here, new resistor here. Of course, this is the console low resistor. I replaced that one, and that one was bad. This one is okay. This one is good. And then back here, the inrush current resistor right here. That was bad as well. So I've replaced that one, and of course, the initial reason for doing work on this amplifier was because this the input plug, the old input plug, here it is here. Look at all the pins. The pins were loose. See, all the pins are loose here. So got a brand new input plug there, and everything is tight now. It's ready. So I'm ready to return this amplifier to the client, to the church, and try it out. All right. This is the oh, I also tested the tubes. I made sure I brought the tubes with me, and I cleaned the chassis. The chassis was very dirty. So make sure I put these tubes back. Here you go. Here you go. All right, Dr. Kemp here of the Hammond Doc, doing what I do. And okay, to the next video. Have a peaceful and wonderful day. Goodbye.